guys, welcome to today's video. This video is a mini tutorial on one of my favorite makeup looks, and also I was just editing this video and I realized that I forgot to shoot the intro, so here we are. So let's jump right into the video. I have already prepped my skin off camera, so for foundation I'll be using Wet n Wild's Photofocus foundation. Now taking a beauty blender, I'm blending my foundation with a patting motion and not a swiping motion. Also, I have not applied foundation around my eyes to avoid creasing. To hide my dark circles, I'm using a peachy undertone concealer first to color correct, and then using a yellow undertone concealer to brighten my under eye. I'm using a patting motion and sometimes using my fingers to blend it. To set the concealer, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and instead of dragging motion, I'm patting it with a brush. To add warmth to my face and little bit of dimensions, I'm using this bronzer. For blush, I'm using Wet n Wild's Color Icon blush in Pearlescent pink. And for the highlight, I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution in collab with Soph and applying it on the high points of my face. To prep my eyes, I'm using NYX's eyeshadow base, and using my finger, I'm blending it with a patting motion. For the transition shade, I'm using this very nude shade, and with a circular motion, I'm blending it in my crease. With the help of my finger, I'm taking this blue shade and applying it all over my lid, and with the same brush that I used to blend my transition shade, I'm blending the two shades together. With the help of my finger, I'm taking this duochrome shade and applying it in the middle. Taking the same highlighting palette, I'm using this lilac shade to highlight my inner corner. For lips, I'm using Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in shade Seductress, and just adding Wet n Wild's gloss in the middle. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.